The Nokia T Series brings us tablets that have that legendary Nokia reliability. We will love a T Series device because it gives us everything that we've come to expect from a Nokia phone. But in the case of the T10, it's in the form of a compact tablet. We will trust this little T Series tablet due to the premium level of support that Nokia provides. And we will choose to keep this T Series tablet because we are reassured that it benefits from Nokia's focus on both hardware and software working seamlessly. With 3 years of monthly security updates, the latest Android 12 operating system out of the box, and 2 OS upgrades, we can be sure that this pocketable tablet is going to be our trusted companion for a long time. The tough polycarbonate exterior shell, and with Android 12, both hardware and software will work in perfect harmony to keep us going every day for years to come. Whether it's staying entertained, learning and doing homework, or making video calls, we can enjoy doing everything wherever we want, due to it being so portable even for kids. Ozo Playback gives listeners an extra level of clarity and immersion beyond normal stereo. It provides a deeper, stronger, louder sound through both the built-in speakers and your headphones, and adapts to a local environment and equalises the volume on your device accordingly. The beautiful HD display with stereo speakers and Ozo audio, combined with snappy performance, ensures the Nokia T10 is the tablet you can depend on.